Hi, fabulous first graders. Mrs. Utley here. Today I'm going to do a mini lesson for you on how to write using temporal words. Temporal means having to do with time. So some temporal words we use in writing are first, next, then, and last. I'm going to use one of our Silly Starters pages to demonstrate and model for you how to use temporal words when we're writing. So as you can see on your screen, I'm going to start writing with the word first. And this is a silly picture. It looks like it's a plant with some money flowers coming out of it. So first things I would have had to have done for this is to plant a seed. So I'm going to say first, I planted a seed. And I'll put a period at the end of my sentence. The next temporal word I will use is next. Something we could say happened next is next the seed sprouted. Period at the end of my sentence. Our next temporal word we'll use is then. Then, comma, some funny leaves grew. Period. Last, the leaves were money. Period at the end of my sentence. There's your mini lesson for using temporal words in writing. Feel free to get creative with your writing this week. Make sure you are adding your details like your sight, your smell, your touch, your hearing, and your taste. Okay, until next time, bye first graders.